Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside. You know how much I love creating warm and inviting spaces, and I truly believe that incorporating greenery is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to elevate the feel of your home. But I also know that not everyone has a green thumb. So I've put together a list of some of my favorite easy to care for indoor plants that are sure to thrive even if you're a beginner. First up, let's talk about the snake plant. Now this one's a real trooper, y'all. It's practically indestructible. Seriously, it can tolerate low light, infrequent watering, and it's known for its air purifying qualities. So you can pop it in a corner, pretty much forget about it, and it'll still be happy as can be. I love the architectural look it brings to a room with its tall, sword-like leaves. It adds a touch of drama without being too fussy. If you're just starting out with indoor plants, the snake plant is your new best friend. Trust me, you can't go wrong with this one. Now, if you have a room that's a little light challenged, let me introduce you to the ZZ plant. This one's a champion of low light conditions, making it a perfect choice for those darker corners of your home. It's also incredibly drought tolerant, so you don't have to worry about constantly watering it. I've got a ZZ plant in my entryway where it gets minimal natural light, and it's thriving. It adds a touch of life and greenery to a space that could easily feel a little neglected. Next, we have the spider plant, a true multitasker. Not only does it look beautiful with its cascading foliage, but it's also a natural air purifier. It's known for removing toxins from the air, making it a great addition to any room, especially bedrooms. And the best part, spider plants are super easy to propagate. They produce little spiderettes that you can easily pot up and share with friends or spread throughout your own home. It's like having a built-in plant factory. Now, if you're looking to make a statement, the fiddle leaf fig is your go-to. Its large, sculptural leaves bring a touch of elegance and drama to any space. It's like having a piece of living art in your home. While they can be a little more finicky than some of the other plants on this list, once you get to know their needs, they're not too difficult to care for. They love bright, indirect light and prefer to dry out between waterings. With a little TLC, your fiddle leaf fig will reward you with its stunning presence. For those of you who prefer a low-maintenance approach, succulents are the way to go. These little guys are incredibly adaptable and drought-tolerant, meaning they don't need a lot of water to thrive. They come in a wide variety of shapes, colors, and textures, so you can really have fun creating interesting arrangements. I love grouping different succulents together in a shallow dish or planter to create a little desert oasis on my windowsill. Moving on to the peace lily, a plant that lives up to its name. It's known for its calming presence and its ability to thrive in humid environments, making it a perfect choice for bathrooms. The peace lily also boasts beautiful white blooms that add a touch of elegance to any space. Just be sure to keep its soil moist and give it indirect light, and it'll reward you with its serene beauty. If you're looking for a plant that can quickly fill up space, look no further than the pothos. This vine is known for its rapid growth and its ability to adapt to a variety of conditions. It can tolerate low light, but it truly thrives in bright, indirect light. You can let it trail down from a shelf or train it to climb up a trellis. It's incredibly versatile and adds a lush, vibrant feel to any room. Let's add a splash of color to our homes with the croton. This plant is a real showstopper with its vibrant, variegated leaves that come in a range of colors. From deep reds and oranges to yellows and greens. It's like having a living rainbow in your living room. Crotons do best in bright, indirect light and prefer to dry out slightly between waterings. Give them the care they need and they'll reward you with a dazzling display of color. For those of us with furry friends, the Boston fern is a safe and beautiful choice. This lush, cascading fern is non-toxic to pets, so you can rest assured that your furry companions are safe around it. Boston ferns thrive in humid environments, making them a great addition to bathrooms or kitchens. They also love bright, indirect light and prefer to stay consistently moist. With its graceful fronds, the Boston fern adds a touch of timeless elegance to any space. Last but not least, let's talk about aloe vera, a plant that's both beautiful and beneficial. Not only does it add a touch of green serenity to your home, but it's also known for its stress-reducing properties. Studies have shown that being around plants can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. And with its soothing gel that can be used to treat minor burns and skin irritations, aloe vera is a true multitasker. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 easy-to-care-for indoor plants that can transform your home into a green haven. Remember, bringing a little bit of nature indoors can do wonders for your well-being. Plants not only enhance the beauty of our spaces, but they also purify the air, reduce stress, and create a sense of peace and tranquility. So I encourage you to try incorporating some of these plants into your own home decor and experience the joy of having a little piece of nature right inside your door. Happy planting, everyone!